Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Why do I keep doing this? Why does this keep happening to me? क्या आप भी ये सवाल अपने आप को पूछते रहते हैं? Do you feel trapped in patterns that create problems in your life and keep you from achieving your goals? Although you try to make changes and disrupt these patterns, somehow you end up in the same place again and again. If this sounds familiar, you could be sabotaging yourself. Self-sabotage refers to behaviors or thought patterns that hold you back and prevent you from doing what you want to do. Blaming others when things go wrong, when relationships go sour, you need to see how your self-sabotaging behavior played a role in it. क्या आपके कोई repetitive behavior patterns है जो उस relationship को अंदर से corrode कर रहा है? क्या आपके पार्टनर ने आपको पूछा है कि आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो बार बार? Maybe it comes from your own sense of self-worth that you don't deserve something good. It becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy when it ends. ये patterns बचपन में ही set हो जाते हैं. And at the heart of it, ये do I deserve to be happy वाले सवाल से जुड़ा हुआ है. You might not realize that it's happening because of your own self-sabotaging behavior. Procrastination. Self-sabotaging behavior बस relationships में ही नहीं, आपके daily life में भी roadblock बन सकता है. Maybe you have an office meeting or a project coming up and you need to make a presentation. You've prepared, done all your research and sat down to get started only to find you just can't begin. Your motivation has completely disappeared. So you avoid the task by organizing your closet, eating something or starting a movie marathon. Procrastinations के typically reasons होते हैं feeling overwhelmed by what you need to do, trouble managing time, doubting your ability or skills. जब कभी भी किसी चीज में आप फेल करते हो, आप सोचते हो कि ये तो होना ही था मेरे साथ. आप ये नहीं देख पाते कि आप एक लूप में फंसे हुए हो. You sabotage things or situations by doubting yourself, a good relationship, or the outcome itself. Trouble stating your needs. If you have a hard time speaking up for yourself, you may have a hard time getting all of your needs met. This can happen in family situations, among friends, at work, in romantic relationships, and in everyday interactions. Putting yourself down. It's not always कि आप ऐसे कोई काम शुरू करते हो कि I can't do this or I don't deserve this. Sometimes हम अपने लिए बहुत ज़्यादा high standard set कर लेते हैं. इतना हाई जो हम दूसरों के लिए भी सेट नहीं करते. मे बी कहीं ना कहीं आपको पता है कि ये स्टैंडर्ड अचीव करना मुश्किल होगा. एंड व्हेन यू फेल टू मीट दीज स्टैंडर्ड्स, you might be very harsh on yourself. You might say things like, I can't do anything right. I won't make it, so why bother? Here's a closer look at some of the contributing factors to self-sabotage. Number 1, patterns learned in childhood. Therapists बताते हैं कि the patterns laid down in our earliest relationships often repeat in relationships throughout life. हम attach हो जाते हैं इन patterns से and we find it difficult to give them up, even if they are not good for us. Number 2, past relationship dynamics. If you didn't feel supported or heard when asking for what you needed in previous relationships, romantic or otherwise, you might struggle to communicate effectively in your current relationships. अगर आपका पिछला एक्सपीरियंस बुरा था या बस तभी अच्छा था when you ignored your own needs, you might do that in your current romantic relationship too or in other type of relationships. Fear of failure. Wanting to avoid failure can lead you to avoid trying. अगर हम ट्राई ही नहीं करेंगे तो फेल ही नहीं होंगे, है ना? So your unconscious mind might present you with lot of excuses and ways to sabotage yourself. Need for control. Self-sabotaging behaviors can also develop from your need to control a situation. When you are in control, you might feel safe, strong, and ready to face anything that comes your way. And जब situation control से बाहर हो, तो you feel none of these things. Tips for overcoming self-sabotage. Number 1, identify the behaviors. It's not always easy to examine your actions deeply enough to note patterns of self-sabotage. ये admit करना कि we are sabotaging ourselves is a painful process. If you feel comfortable examining your behavior to find patterns, it helps to look at areas of life where things seem to regularly go wrong. For example, maybe you end relationships or begin picking fights once your partner says, I love you. Or maybe you have a pattern of quitting jobs right before your annual review. Learn what sets you off. Once you figure out how you sabotage yourself, take note of when you do these things. What makes you feel like you have to act out? Track your triggers in a journal. Practicing mindfulness or non-judgmental awareness of your thoughts and behaviors in the present moment can also help. Each time you uncover a trigger, try to come up with 1 or 2 productive reactions to replace the self-sabotaging behavior. Practice getting comfortable with failure. It's normal to feel afraid of rejection, failure, and other emotional pain. So you take steps to avoid them. आप अपने आप को unwanted experiences से तो बचा लेंगे, but you're also bound to miss out on things you do want, such as strong relationships, close friends, or career opportunities. To manage this fear, work on accepting the realities of failure and pain. Start small by attempting to view your next failure, whether it's a relationship gone sour or a missed opportunity at work, as a new possibility. Talk about it. If you notice certain patterns keep appearing in your relationships, try talking to the people you're closest to about them. Identify what you really want. Self-sabotage can happen when you're looking for a way out. These behaviors help to suggest something about your situation that isn't working out for you. Getting to know yourself better and exploring what you truly want from life can help prevent this kind of self-sabotage. It isn't enough to know what you want to do. You also have to respect and support yourself enough to work for it. When do you need to seek help? It's not always easy to recognize and stop some self-sabotaging behaviors, especially patterns you have followed for years on your own. If your efforts to try different behaviors and responses haven't worked, or only worked for a while, therapy might be a good option. There's no shame in needing professional support. Therapy can be particularly helpful for self-sabotage, because at some point, you might unintentionally begin sabotaging the therapy process too. A mental health professional will be able to pick up on this and help bring the issues which you probably weren't aware of to the surface. Thank you for watching this episode of Mind Over Matter. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करें और हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. Please follow us on our social media handles. This is Tina Das for The Print signing off.